Hi, so in this video we're going to be looking at questions involving indices. So here's some questions. If you want to give them a go on your own, please do, and when you're ready, join me. Okay, so we've got y cubed times y squared, and when we multiply we can add the powers. So this is 3 plus 2, and it gives you the 5. And here we've got 2 times m cubed times 5 times m squared, and with multiplication it doesn't matter which order we do it, so we can do the 2 times the 5 giving us the 10, and the m cubed times the m squared, which gives us m to the power of 3 plus 2, which is m to the power of 5. And then when we divide, we take away the powers, so we get a to the power of 7 divided by a to the power of 4 is the same as a to the power of 3. 7 take away 4 is 3. Here we have a power of a power, and when we have a power of a power, we are allowed to multiply the powers together. So this is the same as p to the power of 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Then I've got 2a squared all to the power of 4. I can take the 2 to the power of 4 out, and then I've got a squared all to the power of 4. And again, we can multiply those two together, to give us a to the power of 8, so we get 16 a to the power of 8. And then here, when we have a negative power, that just puts whatever we've got on the bottom of a fraction, and the half is a fractional power, where the number on the bottom of this fraction tells us which root it is. So this gives us a second root. So this is the square root, which is the same as we just leave out the 2 on the square root. If it was 3, it would be the third root, or the cube root. 4, it would be the fourth root. So this number here tells you which root we're talking about, and the minus puts it on the bottom of a fraction. Okay, so now I've got solving some equations with indices, and these are the sort of questions which do start coming up. So if I got 2 to the power of n equals 16, what would n be? Well, 16 is actually 2 to the power of 4. So n, looking at this equation here, we can see that n must equal 4. So that one's quite straightforward. Here it looks slightly meaner and nastier, but it's not too bad really. We got 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 27, and hopefully you know that 27 is the same as 3 cubed, and you should know definitely your sort of 1 to 5 cubed numbers so that you start recognizing them. So this is the same. I can rewrite the 27 as 3 cubed, so when we look at these two and see they have to be the same, and for them to be the same, the 2x minus 1 must equal the 3. We've got 2x minus 1 equals 3. Then a bit of rearranging and messing around, we get add 1 both sides, divide by 2, we get x equals 2. Okay, so not too bad. And then here we've got slightly harder because there's an extra stage. We've got 8 to the power of n plus 1 equals 16 to the power of n. So hopefully you can recognize with 8 and 16, they're all to do with powers of 2. So 8 is 2 cubed, 16 is 2 to the 4, power of 4. And so then we can rewrite this one like this. So 2 cubed all to the power of n plus 1 equals 2 power of 4 all to the n, multiplying out using the powers of the power rule. And then we can equate, again, now we've got the same basis, we can equate the powers. So the powers must be equal for this to be equal. So 3n plus 3 equals 4n. Then again, a bit of messing around. So take 3n from both sides, and then that gives you the answer. Okay, I hope that's helpful. If you've enjoyed it, please like this video.